Hello everyone, welcome back to Hopetrader Academy. So it's been a very long time that I haven't do the video due to my personal issues. So from today it will be regular. The weekly analysis and daily analysis will be regular. So if you have any doubts, you guys can comment below, and you can also text me over WhatsApp. The link of the WhatsApp is given in the description, and you can also join my free Telegram channel. In the description you will get the link of that as well. So without wasting any further time, so let's start weekly analysis. So before I start weekly analysis, you need to keep some of your mindset confirmed that there is a war going on between in Israel. Okay, and that might also affect, because lot of the powerful nations are supporting Israel. Okay, that can also affect, and there are some companies in the Israel as well which will be affected, and those companies are also in Indian stock market, that can also be affected. So make sure you're going to keep that in mind and start your trading. It might be Bank-Nifty, Nifty, equity, anything. Okay, keep that in mind and check what are the newses that is going to happen over there, and then start your trading normally. So first thing is Nifty. Let me remove all the drawings. 1 week time frame. Highest support and resistance. Okay, the basic thing we always do. Highest support and resistance. This is the highest resistance and the support. 1 day time frame. Correct your support and resistance and mark if there is any new support or resistance. Yes, we have this new one, support, and this new resistance. I'm gonna mark this black. Yes. 4 hours time frame, I'm gonna correct my 1 day time frame support and resistances. Perfect. 1 hour time frame, I'm gonna check if there is any trend line or something like that passing through. So this one can be one trend line over here. Okay, the first was this, it is going in an uptrend. So for the next week, okay, I'll give you the predictions for the next week. If it breaks 19,850 and sustains over there, then you guys can expect 20,000. Okay, 20,000 and 20,100 you guys can expect. And if it breaks this trend line with a small pullback, you guys can expect 19,500. This is for weekly, not for 1 day. I'm not telling it for tomorrow or day after tomorrow. This is for next week analysis I'm telling you. So this is the one thing. Take a screenshot. It will be very helpful for you guys. Okay, and mark the same levels as I am doing it. And the next is 15 minutes time frame. And here there is a lots of supports and resistances. Over here also, if you check, we have this kind of thing. Okay, you can see this. So very strong one. By this I can identify this is one of the strongest support as of now. As of now, this is one of the strongest support. So on the upside, what can we expect? On the downside, what can we expect for tomorrow? So I'm going to give you some no trade zones. So no trade zone will be more, but I'm trying to make it less. This will be your no trade zone. Okay, this is your no trade zone. By this, if it breaks the high, okay, do not take the trade. Wait for small pullback and keep some 50 points of stop loss over 19,850. It can be rejected over here. Okay, it can be rejected over here, and then you guys can take the trade accordingly. But when it breaks over here again, then you guys can expect 19,900. So this is an upside move only when it breaks 19,800. So if it breaks the downside 19,725 with a retest, you guys can expect 19,675. If it breaks that, then you guys can expect 19,625. This can be expectable. So what should we do, sir, if it is a gap up or gap down? So if it is a gap up opening, wait for this to break out. Okay, Friday's high to break out. If it breaks, then you guys can go for 19,850. If it gets rejected over here, then you guys can aim for closing. Okay, I have given you two possibilities on the gap up opening. Now on the flat opening. Flat opening means do not take a trade. Wait for this breakout or this breakout, then only take the trade. Gap down opening. If it opens gap down, let it go up. If it will get rejected near the closing, then you guys can short it till 19,675. If it breaks, then again a pullback and you guys can expect 19,800. So these are the three scenarios for Nifty 50. Any doubts, you guys can ask me in the comment section. So next is Bank Nifty. Same way, weekly analysis. I'm going to remove all the drawings. Support, IS support. This is IS resistance, and we will draw the IS support. You guys can see over here, it's like an double top. If it breaks, 40,000 levels can be seen in Bank Nifty. So 1 week, 1 day time frame. So it is trading in a zone. Nearest support and nearest resistance, we'll correct that in 4 hours time frame. Nifty looks more clear than Bank Nifty. 1 hour time frame. See, this is the zone. This is the zone. Very difficult for a trader. It might trap anywhere. Okay, it can trap you anywhere. So the first thing you need to keep in mind is 15 minutes. I'm going to give you direct levels over here. Let's not waste much of a time. This is going to be one of the strongest resistance area, 44,500. One of the strongest resistance area. Support, if you look, it can come around over here. 44,200 it can come. Okay, this will be your no trade zone. This zone is your no trade zone. So what to do next? So I'm going to give you 3 levels over here, 3 scenarios. I'm going to mark this level as well. Okay. Now I'm going to give you 3 scenarios: gap up, gap down, and flat opening. So if it opens gap up, wait for it to break the high. With a retest, expect 44,700. Okay. If not, if it opens gap up, gets rejected over here, okay, Friday's high, then aim for 44,220. That is Friday's closing. I have explained gap up now. Now it's time for gap down opening. Gap down opening, wait for the price to reach the closing. If it's get rejected, then aim for 44,000 first target. Second target, aim for 43,900. Okay, 43,900 you guys can aim. If it breaks the closing, then aim for 44,500. Okay, gap up and gap down is done. Now next is flat opening. So do not take any trades if it is flat opening. Either it should give a break and a retest over here, and over here break and a retest over here. Until and unless that, we do not have any levels for Bank Nifty. So watch the complete video and you will get a very clear clarity about what is happening in the market, in the global markets, and in our market, how it will react. Okay. So next is finance. This will be almost same as Bank Nifty. Highest resistance, highest support, 1 day time frame. Let me correct the supports and resistances. 4 hours time frame. Highest resistance can be this, and highest support can also be this. 1 hour time frame. Good. Compared to Nifty, Fin-Nifty and Bank-Nifty looks weak. Yes, over here for tomorrow, if it breaks this low with a retest, you guys can expect 19,720 on the downside, and on the upside, wait till it breaks 19,860, then you guys can expect 19,920 and 19,960. Okay, 19,960 and 19,920, that can be your target on the upside, and the downside I have explained. So over here, if it is a gap up opening, wait for the price to break and give this movement. If not, it will get rejected over here, then you guys can aim till here, till the closing. Gap down opening, wait till it reaches to the closing and then it will get rejected. If it breaks, then aim for 19,860. Flat opening, do not take the trade unless and until the range is given a breakout. Good. So next is, we have completed what I trade most. Okay, Nifty, Bank-Nifty and Fin-Nifty I have completed. Now I'll be going to look into banks. So in the banks, as I observe, okay, Axis Bank, if you check, in only in higher time frame I'll be doing the analysis for all this. See, as I told, if it gets rejected over here, most probably 2-3 weeks back only I made a video. If it gets rejected over here, then we can expect this. But it gave a breakout, entered everyone and trying to take support. If it fails, again it will come down. Okay, and ICICI Bank also same way, gave a breakout, did not sustain, again it is trading in the zone. Let's see. HDFC Bank, I told you that it will go up till here, but it get rejected near this trend line and it came down and it is below, trading below support. One more thing to worry about over here, that the banks are looking very, very weak. Kotak Bank, same way, which was supposed to go up, gave a fake breakout and coming down and it is trading below support. An issue over here. And SBI is also down. Okay, it is also down. So let's see what can be done. And if you check in US market, those are negative only. Comparatively it is negative. And if we check on global markets, those are completely negative. Almost everything is negative. Okay, you can see Nasdaq 1%, okay, and Dow Jones is just 0.12%, that's negligible. Apart from that, everything is down by 1%. Even in our markets, it was down on Thursday and Wednesday, and here also a slight changes, that's it, nothing else. But I think that market might go down now. Okay, market might go down a little bit at least for as of now. So do not create any long positions in the market. Be careful, try to do a scalp or a small moments you capture it, because anytime if there is any big news coming in, you might get trapped. Okay, it might be on the downside or on the upside, it might be a trap, so be careful over there. So apart from this, if you look into commodities, so crude oil is highly positive, 5% up. Okay, natural gas is negative, but silver and gold are also positive. That means the people invested in stock market are investing in silver and gold now, and that might affect. And Diwali is also near, gold and silver prices is obviously trying to go up, that is for sure. So that's it for this video. If you have any doubts, you guys can contact me over WhatsApp and join my free Telegram channel for the updates. So we are launching an October batch. Online course is filled now. We have November batch slots that will be starting from Wednesday. So if you are interested, you guys can message me over WhatsApp. I'll give you all the details. Thank you guys. Have a great day. We'll meet tomorrow with daily analysis.